I'm so glad you're back for some more sight words.
Sight words, I know them in my mind. Sight words, I can read them left to right. Sight words, there are so many I know. Sight words, they help my reading flow.
Okay, today our sight word is was. Was. Remember, you don't have to write it yet. I'm just writing the word so that you can see it. The sight word is was. W A S. Was. Was is the past tense of is. So if I am saying my cat is fat, that means she's fat right now. But if I said my cat was fat, that means she used to be fat, but she is no longer fat. So now she is skinny, but last year my cat was fat. My plate was full, but I ate my food, so now it is empty. So when we say was, it's talking about something in the past. Okay, so you've heard this word a lot, especially when we were doing calendar, and we would say today is, and then yesterday was. So we'd point our thumbs behind us and say yesterday was because it happened in the past. Okay, I want you to take out your magical writing finger. So remember, your arm is out, you're pointing to the sky, and your elbow is straight. We are going to spell this word was. Spell it with me, please. W A S. Was. Great job. Okay. Now that we spelled the word was, we are going to draw the lines on our paper to segment our paper. Remember, we need space at the bottom for our lovely sentence. I know today that you are going to be able to write your sentence all on your own. I can feel it. All right, split the top of the paper in half and then draw a line so it's in half again. Okay, the word is was. Spell it with me. W A S. Was. All right, we're going to change it up a little bit today. I want us to write it as big as we can in all capital letters right here. Remember, we're saying it loudly. We're projecting our voice. Say it with me. See if you can fill that whole box. W A S. Was. Ooh, I did a really good job filling the box, but I bet you did an even better job. I cannot wait to see your sight words. Okay, now we are going to write the word as small as we can. I want you to use a squeaky voice today, okay? We're gonna pretend we're tiny little mice and we're writing our word was as small as we can. Please spell it with me in a squeaky voice. I don't want to be squeaking alone. Thank you. Okay. W A S. Was. Let's spell it again. W A S. Was. And again. W A S. Was. Now we're going to whisper it. W A S. Was. W A S. Was. One more time. W A S. Was. Awesome job. Okay, now we are going to write the word in our very best handwriting. I'm going to write my A how it's normally printed in books. You can write it my way or you can write it your own way. That's okay. In your very best handwriting. And I want you to choose how you're going to say it. You could say it in a funny voice. You could say it in a loud voice. You could say it in a country voice. You could say it in a fancy voice. That's up to you. All right, let's say it together. I'm going to whisper it. That way I can hear you and you can hear yourself instead of my voice being over yours. Okay. Best handwriting. W-A-S. Whoa, look at that wonderful handwriting. Was. I'm proud of you. Okay. Now, I'm going to write this word in a sentence. I want you to think of a sentence with the word was. Think of a sentence with the word was. Okay, so I want you to try to write your own sentence today, okay? Even if you don't know how to spell all of the words, that's okay. I want you to sound it out and try your best. It's more important that you try to write your own sentence than it is to make sure you spell everything correctly. If you say, "Oh, Miss Larson, it is too hard for me to write my own sentence," guess what? Then I want you to write my sentence and I want you to try to write your own sentence. Because we really need to work on writing our own. Because once we get to first grade, we should be writing our own sentences instead of just copying the teacher. So if you say it's too hard to write my own sentence, I want you to copy mine. And then after that, I want you to try to write your own. My sentence for today is, the can of water was full. The can of water was full. My sentence starts with a what? Yep, a capital letter. The first word in my sentence is the. Spell the for me. Yes, T-H-E, the. The first letter is, and it needs to be, yep, the first letter is a T, it needs to be a capital. T-H-E, the. Next word, can. Remember, when the A and the N or an A and an M get together, they make a glued sound. So even though the A makes an A sound and the N makes an N sound, when we sound this out, it does not say. So when we sound it out, it sounds like N, but it does not say that when you read the word. It says can. N together make an. Can. The can of, spell the sight word of, O-F, water. Spell it with me. W-A-T-E-R. The can of water was. Spell was. You should be able to spell that on your own. If not, look up. It's on the paper. Was. Next word, we need a space. Full. This one's tricky. U-L. 2 L's. What do we need at the end of our sentence? A period. The can of water was full. Read the sentence again with me. The can of water was full. Okay, I want you to circle the sight word we've been working on. Okay, so if I said, yesterday the can of water was full, that is talking about the past. So maybe the can of water is empty now, but yesterday it was full. The can of water was full. Okay, make sure someone in your family takes a picture of your wonderful sight word practice and post it online so I can see. Thank you so much.